Hello friends, welcome back. Today's session we are going to cover Spark architecture. So let me open Google. So I just taken this diagram from the Apache Spark site documentation. So normally whenever you submit any job, right, it normally gets distributed across the cluster. So Spark follows master and slave architecture where master will be the driver program writing on using Spark context, and the slaves are the temporary worker node. So whenever we submit any job, Spark job on master nodes where my driver program is running, a job gets created, and through driver program it gets submitted to each worker node as a task. So each worker node will be executing those tasks parallelly on their node. Okay, and once they complete their task, they return response back to driver program through Spark context. So if someone asks, right, uh, which one is my master node and which one is my worker node? See, master node is where my driver program is running. Worker node is where my tasks are running through executors. The executors are the responsible for getting the task from driver program and returning a response back to a Spark context. So since Spark context, our driver program is mainly responsible for communicating with worker nodes, right? So it has to be closer to these nodes on the same network. If you keep this box onto a different region, right? So network call will be taking much time, more time. So it is not a good what is say infrastructure design. So that's where we have to keep in mind. So what about the cluster managers, right? There are a couple of cluster managers we can use. By default, we are using the standalone one that comes with Spark. Okay, another is the Hadoop Yarn we can use. Also, we can use Apache Mesos, which can support the MapReduce and other server applications, right? Otherwise, Kubernetes is open source. We can use for the scaling and container applications. So these are the cluster manager types. You can go through all these documentations for more details, but on the higher side I explain you what are those driver programs, executors running on the worker node. So let me summarize that. Driver programs are running on the master node, executors are running on the worker node. Executors are the one who is actually executing the task, and they will return the response back to driver program. Okay, thanks for watching this video. We will see Java pair RDD in next session.